Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to be working with the number 9. We are going to be making a really fun subtraction sticker story. So you need this recording paper and you need 9 stickers. Go ahead and get your materials. Welcome back, boys and girls. The first thing I'm going to have you do is write your name. Then we're going to start our sticker story. Miss Jensen has 9 butterfly stickers, and I put them on my paper in a very special way. I put them on my paper in the 5 group way. I have 5 butterflies on top, and I have 4 butterflies underneath, because 5 and 4 is 9, and we're learning all about number 9. Are you ready to hear my story? Okay. One day, there were 9 butterflies flying around in the daytime sky. 5 of them got very tired, and they flew away to go take a nap. All right, that was my story. I have to figure out how many butterflies were left in the sky. Here we go. I got to use a strategy. 5 of them flew away because they were tired, so I used my strategy of crossing out 5, and I knew the top row already had 5 because it's a 5 group, so I crossed out my top row. Now I got to figure out how many are left, right? I got to start my number sentence. Here I go. I know the bigger number goes first. I had 9 to begin with. 5 went away to take a nap. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Let me double check with my fingers. Or you can even use your cubes. I have 9 fingers up. I'm taking 5 down. Oh, and I have 4 left. I just double checked. I was right. 9 take away 5 equals 4. Are you ready to make your story? You can think of don't use take away 5. Let's try a bunch of different ways to make 9. 9 minus 1, 9 minus 2, 9 minus 3. Let's not use 9 minus 5 because Miss Jensen already did that. Why don't you choose a different way, and you'll have your own different stickers and your own stories, and then I want you to put it on Seesaw and tell your teacher the story that you came up with, okay? Don't just take a picture. Tell us your story. I can't wait to hear your subtraction stories all about number 9.